Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Google Drive account. So Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them from anywhere, from any smartphone, tablet or computer. It is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. So guys, if you want to log into Google Drive account, then first of all you need to have is Google Drive app installed on your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the application. But if it is pre-installed and if you have created the Google Drive account, then now you can easily log into its account. To learn how to log in, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to log into Google Drive account, first of all tap on the Google Drive app. After tapping on the application, you will land onto a page where it will ask for your email. So go ahead and enter your email. Make sure it is the correct one. So if you have forgot your email, you can even tap on forgot email and begin the procedure. So for now, if you are done typing your email, tap on next. Now go ahead and enter the password of your Gmail. After you're done entering your password, then tap on next. Now tap on I agree. You are just agreeing the privacy policy. So yes guys, the Google Drive account has already been logged in. So this is how we can easily log into Google Drive account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.